What's up, today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar CAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in USD CAD. As you can see on the lower time frame, USD CAD has given us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade USD CAD. First of all, looking at monthly perspective. Now, monthly time frame, we see the dollar CAD is currently showing bearish movement. If we closely look at, we see that there is a monthly impulse here on the monthly time frame has given us this correction. Now, what we have seen previous months, the bulls tried to push that price high, but in comparison with the bears with this red candle, this monthly candle is significantly narrow, giving us potential for further drop. Now, as you can see, these months, what we have seen, the price primarily tested the high of this monthly week. This zone has completely been tested, and we have seen a lower high has been created. That means that now we could see USD CAD bears pushing that price low. Probably we could see the lower part of this monthly week, or even we can expect a drop to this monthly 20 EMA. That means that on the monthly perspective, now USD CAD is bearish. If we look at weekly perspective to see how the price action is doing, what we see that on the weekly time frame, there has been an weekly impulse. This is the weekly impulse. Now we see that the price is coming down. Now, if you closely look at, this is the weekly price action, where we have seen that the price has crossed the previous week's narrow doji to this level, and from this resistance, now we see the price is rejecting because the price has grabbed liquidity from this resistance. What you could expect now, USD CAD to come back down at least to this doji zone. This is the high liquidity area on the weekly perspective. If you closely look at that, you see that there is a green impulsive move to the upside. This narrow green doji can provide significant liquidity for this move. So we can expect now at least USD CAD to come back down to this level on the weekly perspective to test this, even this 20 EMA, and to grab liquidity from this doji. Now, if we look at daily time frame, let's see what kind of price action it has done. Now, what do you see that on the daily perspective, the previous day there has been a significant bearish candle. This is, you can say, full body red, huge volume in it. Now, with that kind of breakdown, we have seen that USD CAD previously on the daily, we see this is the trend line. The price was creating series of lower high and lower low moving along this channel. Suddenly we have seen a breakout from this channel and again retreat back. This is the sign that this is a false breakout of this resistance level. That means that USD CAD has grabbed liquidity from this level, and now what we can expect, again the price to go ahead and test this zone and then to continue to drop. Especially what we see that there is a daily 20 EMA, and highly likely that today at some point, probably during the news or any other time, we could see a retest of this daily 20 EMA, which is also aligning with this trend line, this resistance level. After retest, we could see USD CAD is rejecting from here to move to the downside to this level. What we are expecting on the higher time frame, the price to come back down. That means that this is the level that we can expect on the daily time frame to have a rejection. Now let's look at intraday perspective to see how the price action is forming. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we have seen this is the manipulation leg that we have expected so far, and with that manipulation, what we see that the USD CAD with this impulse has broken down. Now the price is correcting. So where do we see that this trend line is where there is a daily 20 EMA also aligning with the intraday 20 EMA. This is the zone, is a high liquidity area. So if the price reach this level, what we could see that it is completing a possible head and shoulder with this head left wing and right wing, and with that right, we can expect another wave of drop on USD CAD. Now, at the same time, if we take our Fibonacci for this impulse on the lower time frame, we can see that this is the zone where around 38.2% Fibonacci level is aligning with the minimum Fibonacci with this trend line, giving us a high probability for further drop. So as soon as you will see USD CAD, the price is here giving us a suitable entry opportunity, we will consider going short on USD CAD with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading dollar CAD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.